Hey, good morning, students. Mr. Short here. Today is Monday, April 26th, and we're going to take some field trips this week. I know that kind of sounds crazy with everything that's going on with COVID right now. Unfortunately, we haven't been able to actually load the buses and take any real field trips. So I'm going to let you guys kind of enjoy this week and learn a little bit as we take some virtual field trips. Like I said, this is a week of April 26th. We have 4 weeks of school left. 5 weeks of school left, 4 weeks of my class. That fifth week is going to be an actual testing week where we'll be doing our end-of-year testing. So what I want you to do, I want you to go to April 26th module, click on Virtual Field Trip. Okay, the description says, this week I want you to relax and have some fun as we head into our last month of school. I want you to explore all the following virtual field trips. This week's assignment is to create a Google Doc titled Virtual Field Trip, and each day you'll write 100 words telling me what you liked about that day's virtual field trip. All right, so Monday we're going to go to Natural History. You're going to take a field trip there, take a look at what that looks like. National Museum of Natural History virtual tours. This is probably my favorite of the four just because there's so many different things you can explore. Okay, that's Monday, so you'll go on that virtual field trip and you'll write 100 words in your Google Doc telling me what you liked about it. Tuesday, we're going to the National Constitution Center virtual tour. Wednesday, another one of my favorites, okay? I'm not going to play it just because, we'll play a little bit of it here. Get through this ad here. All right. This is really cool field trip. It's talking about how slime works in space and gravity and things like that. Just think it's really cool and fun. So this is what we'll be doing on Wednesday. All right. Close that out. And then on Thursday, another fun one here. I like this one. This is the aquarium in Seattle. Sometimes this link works to give you some live feeds. And other times the live feed is down. But this is another really fun virtual field trip where you go to the Seattle Aquarium. Okay, so those are the 4 field trips we're going to be taking this week. Notice I didn't put a Friday field trip on there. The reason being the way the last few weeks in class has worked, that a lot of people in and out class for different reasons. As you might could imagine with everything that's going on right now. So I wanted to give that extra day to allow students who may miss a day of school or may not be able to be in school a particular day. I wanted to allow that extra day for students to be able to get all 4 field trips in before the end of the day on Friday. If you're at school Monday through Thursday, then you're going to have Friday as an early finisher activity day, and you guys know what to do with our early finisher activities. There's some coding activities that we'll do. Okay, so that's our week. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. Shoot me an email, ask me in class, shoot me a message in Canvas. Either one of those is fine. All right. I hope you enjoy this week. I hope you have some fun on some of these virtual and some interactive field trips. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Have a good week. Thank you.